Now, following a 1 week break, the Jamaica Premier League returned with goals as teams jostled to set themselves up for a playoff place. 3 matches marked the return at the UWI Captain Horace Burrell Centre of Excellence.
Like the rain that poured across the island, so too the goals in the Premier League. 5 were scored in the final game of the triple header as Mount Pleasant Academy outscored Cavalier 3-2. It all started with Mount Pleasant jumping out to a 2-0 lead, Jordan Fletcher making the breakthrough in the 16th minute. And on the half-hour mark, Camar Beckford with his 3rd goal of the season, doubling the St. Anne-based team's advantage. Cavalier thought they saw light at the end of the tunnel when Shaniel Thomas cut the deficit in the 41st minute, but they were wrong. With time running out, Daniel Green knocked the stuffing out of their opponents as Mount Pleasant restored their 2-goal lead. And even though Ronaldo Webster scored at the end, time was not Cavalier's friend as they lost the battle.
I mean, it's the worst start we've ever had. I wasn't sure what was happening, but we were just turning over the ball every time we got it. And Mount Pleasant was just pressing. They got 2 goals. We had to go into survival mode from the first half, made some changes. We were able to get back 1 goal, but then I suppose we're still trying to press in the second half and they scored a 3rd. We got back 1 late, but it was a terrible game for us and we hope to do better soon.
A double from Mark Miller carried Dunbeholden to a 2-1 win over Humble Lion. Miller was on target in the 32nd and 42nd minute for Dunbeholden, who have now improved their playoff hopes. Andrew Vanzi got Humble Lion's consolation, and with 1 match to play, they're now out of title contention.
It's been a seesaw season, we have been up and down. There's no consistency. We need to be more consistent. Took the lead today, didn't maintain it. Gave up 2 goals to some give-on goals defensively because we weren't tracking players, and the players have to learn.
And Akwesa Chong, with goal number 6 of the season, helped Harbourview to a 1-0 victory over Malines United.
We have played better quality games than last, so I guess sometimes we have to resort to the scrappiness. But I think we were probably fighting it in the first half because we were probably a bit disorganized, especially in midfield. But a couple of injuries forced us to make some changes at half-time. And I think it worked well for us.
The league continues on Saturday with Very United taking on Tivoli Gardens at noon and Waterhouse play Arnott Gardens at 2:30. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.